So, andito tayo ngayon sa Palm Tree in Newport City to check this new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Around 70 square meters total floor area, and this is around 10.1 million for bidding. So ito yung bathroom niya. And meron siyang laundry area. This is actually the maid's quarter, and then katabi niya tong kitchen. So meron tayong oven, cooktop, pero we're not sure if working pa yung mga yan. Meron tayong built-in cabinets, and as you can see, angat na yung mga tiles niya. Nag-pop up na siya, gawa ng wala po kasing nakatira dito. And this is the common bathroom. Then bedroom 1, or primary room yata to, or this is the primary room, because meron siyang sariling bathroom, ensuite, and may sira rin po yung kisame niya. This is as is where is upon turnover, and no warranty. So, ang view niya is facing Skyway and Naiya. Okay. Angat na yung mga tiles, oh. Ganyan talaga pag walang nakatira sa unit, init, lamig, nag-aangatan po talaga siya. This is corner unit, kaya floor to ceiling po yung windows niya. Yan. And this is the other bedroom. Wala siyang sariling bathroom. And then windows niya, both sides. Corner unit kasi tayo. Yan. As you can see, maayos pa naman yung unit, yung flooring lang talaga, nag-aangatan yung mga tiles. And it looks like hindi po siya natirhan. Okay? Kasi wala po siyang mga marks sa wall na pwede nating sabihin na natirhan siya. So kailangan ng repair, especially yung flooring. And dito sa master's bedroom, ito, yung exhaust niya bumigay. If meron structural damage yan outside your unit, kailangan si admin po ang magpagawa niyan. So again, if you are interested to make a bid and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly. This is available in cash or at least 5% down payment and then 95% balance, bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees.